In this tutorial today, we're going to be looking at how can you make a single page landscape and keep the rest of the pages in portrait orientation using Microsoft Word. So let's do it. So let's take this page as an example. As you can see, this is a single page document and there are 3 paragraphs. And if you want to make it landscape, you just need to go to this layout, page layout, and from this orientation, change the orientation to landscape. Your page is in landscape orientation now. But this is not the thing that we want. We want a certain portion of our document is in landscape orientation and the rest of the pages should be in portrait orientation. So let's go back. We press Ctrl G to go back to the previous mode. Let's say that we want to keep this first page is in portrait orientation, second page landscape, and the third page again portrait. So that means we have to break it down. So let's break it down first. We put the cursor before this heading and we go to this page break. This is the option that you will need to play with. So click on this drop down, go to this section breaks and click on next page. So what we have done so far, we have just divided this one page document into 2 pages. Now we'll go back to this heading 3 again and we'll go to the same option, click on this drop down and go to the section breaks, next page. So now, ladies and gentlemen, our document has 3 pages now. Now we want to keep this is in portrait orientation and the second page we want to make it landscape. So I'll just put my cursor somewhere on this page, let's say here, and we'll go to this orientation, click on this drop down and hit on this landscape. And as you can see, our first page now as it is in portrait orientation, the second page landscape, and the third page is in portrait orientation. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this tutorial. Hope you will find it useful and really thank you so much for watching and hope to see you with another tutorial. Until then, ta-da.